Another way to understand conflict is to consider where the conflict occurs. Between whom does it occur? Here we have three basic types. Dyadic conflict is conflict between two people. Intra-group conflict occurs within a group or team. Intra usually means within. And intergroup conflict is conflict between groups or teams. Inter meaning between. So most of the research focuses on conflict within the group. And again, the research suggests that a supportive climate is a requirement for functional conflict. Group members need to be able to trust one another and feel safe to disagree if it's good for the group. So positive relationships tend to provide a buffer against the negative aspects of conflict. Before we move on to the conflict process, I just want to note that understanding conflict means understanding its effects, whether it's functional or dysfunctional, its type, and its location, what you see here. If we take the time to gather it, this information helps us identify the source of a conflict and helps us understand how big of an impact the conflict is having on the individuals, the group, the organization.